Hello everyone, myself Aruna Devi, Assistant Professor of Department of Commerce with Computer Application. In this video, we are going to see about computers. Unit 1. Introduction to computer. A computer is a programmable electronic machine used to store, retrieve, and process data. According to the definition, a computer is a programmable electronic device that takes data, perform instructed arithmetic and logical operations, and gives the output. Whatever is given to the computer as input is called data, while the output is received after processing is called information. History of computers. The term computer was first introduced in 1640 and referred to as one who calculates. It was derived from the Latin word computere, which meant to calculate. In 1897, it was known as the calculating machine. Later, in 1945, the term computer was introduced as programmable digital electronic computer, which is now called a computer. When the computer were introduced, they were large and could fill an entire room. Some computers were operated using large-sized vacuum tubes. In 1883, Charles Babbage, known as the father of the computer, invented an early calculator which was named as the difference engine. Later, in 1837, he introduced the first mechanical general purpose computer analytical engine. Over time, computers became powerful in performance and small in size. Types of computer system. We can categorize computer in two ways on the basis of data handling capabilities and size. On the basis of data handling capabilities, the computer is of three types: analog computer, digital computer, hybrid computer. Generations of computer. There are 5 generations of computer which can be classified as follow. First generation 1946 to 1959. During the first generation, computers were based on electronic valves, vacuum tubes. Some popular computers of first generation are ENIAC, EDVAC, UNIVAC, etc. Second generation 1959 to 1965. During the second generation, computers were based on transistors. Some popular computers of second generations are IBM 1400, IBM 1620, IBM 7000 series, etc. Third generation 1965 to 1971. During the third generations, computers were based on integrated circuits. Some popular computers of third generations are IBM 360, IBM 370, PDP, etc. Fourth generation 1971 to 1980. During the fourth generation, computers were based on very large scale integrated circuits. Some popular computers of fourth generations are Star 1000, Cray 1, Cray XMP, DEC 10, etc. Fifth generation 1980 present 1980 to present, the fifth generation is still ongoing. The computers are based on multiple technologies such as ultra large scale integration, artificial intelligence, and parallel processing hardware. The fifth generation of computers includes desktop, laptop, notebook, etc. Analog computer. Analog computers are designed to process analog data. Analog data is continuous data that changes continuously and cannot have discrete values. We can say that analog computers are used where we don't need exact values always, such as speed, temperature, pressure, and current. Analog computers directly accept the data from the measuring device without first converting into numbers and codes. They measure the continuous changes in physical quantity and generally render output as a reading on a dial or scale. Speedometer and mercury thermometer are examples of analog computers. Digital computers. Digital computer is designed to perform calculations and logical operations at high speed. It accepts the raw data as input in the form of digits or binary numbers 0 to 1 and process it with the program stored in its memory to produce the output. All modern computers like laptops, desktops, including smartphones that we use at home or official are digital computers. Advantages of using analog computers. It allows real time operations and computation at the same time and continuous representation of all data with the range of the analog machine. In some applications, it allows performing calculations without taking the help of transducers for converting the inputs or outputs to digital electronic form and vice versa. The programmer can scale the problem of the dynamic range of the analog computer. It provides insight into the problem and helps understand the errors and their effects. Advantages of using hybrid computers. Its computing speed is very high due to the all parallel configuration of the analog subsystem. It produces precise and quick results that are more accurate and useful. It has the ability to solve and manage big equation in real time. It helps in the online data processing. Advantages of digital computers. It allows you to store a large amount of information and to retrieve it easily whenever you need it. You can easily add new features to digital systems more easily. Different applications can be used in digital systems just by changing the program without making any changes in the hardware. The cost of hardware is less due to the advancement in the IC technology. It offers high speed as the data is processed digitally. It is highly reliable as it uses error correction codes. Reproducibility of results is higher as the output is not affected by noise, temperature, humidity, and other properties of its components. Hybrid computer. Hybrid computer has features of both analog and digital computer. It is fast like an analog computer and has memory and accuracy like digital computers. It can process both continuous and discrete data. It accepts analog signals and convert them into digital form before processing. So it is widely used in specialized applications where both analog and digital data is processed. For example, a processor is used in petrol pumps that converts the measurement of fuel flow into quantity and price. Similarly, they are used in airplanes, hospitals, and scientific applications. Difference between laptop and notebooks. Laptops notebooks includes fans and other cooling systems within. Does not feature cooling system with as a processing power is far less. Slightly bigger and heavier than notebooks. Smaller and lighter in the size of a notebook. Features an optical or DVD drive. Does not have an optical or DVD drive. Processing power is high. Processing power is lesser to laptops. Stronger hardware. Hardware is not as stronger as laptops. Had a peripheral option, there is no peripheral options. Display size is larger. Notebooks usually have smaller display. Laptops are more expensive. Notebooks are comparatively cheaper. Computer applications in business. Computer application and business purpose. QuickBooks, Xero, Tally for accounting and preparation of other financial statements. Google Documents, PDF Element, MS Word for the preparation of various informative documents. MS PowerPoint, Keynote, Canva, SlideShare, OpenOffice, Impress to make a unique, simple, and attractive presentation. Zoom, Microsoft Teams go to meetings for conducting online business meetings and webinars. Slack, Trello, and Microsoft Teams for enhancing business collaborations. Laptop or notebook computers. What is laptop? A compact and portable computer used as an alternative to desktops and weighing around 2 to 4 kg. Laptops also have almost the same power as the desktop. Meanwhile, it is slightly heavier than the notebooks and the display size depend on the model. What is a notebook? There are incredibly light and portable personal computers available in the size of a notebook. This makes it easy to carry about everywhere. Hardware functionalities are lesser for notebooks than laptops, and their processing power is also far less than a desktop or a laptop. Projects Proof Hub Notation for well managing companies' projects and enhancing time management. Canva Pick Money for designing simple, attractive, collaborative, and representative logos and other advertising materials. HubSpot Active Campaigns SEMrush for widespread sales, marketing, and other customer services. Google Analytics, BuzzSumo, and Google Trends for researching and finding information related to customer needs, demands, behavior, changes in trends. Google Drive, OneDrive, and Dropbox for storing data on the cloud. PayPal, Braintree, and Stripe for payment and transfer of money. Importance of computer application in business: accounting, business communication, business management, research, marketing, data storage. Thank you.